Yeah. Yeah.
That following your entry rules, just kind of,
Yeah,
I guess, a little more about discipline.
let's not call them rules. Okay. I think that's a huge problem too, because people like to
Okay.
break rules. People, right? Don't you like to break a rule? Like you
Yeah,
feel good.
people are
Like, I'm going to break
rebellious.
that rule. I'm a rebel. But how about if we call it a principle? Like, do you want to break a principle?
Right. It's less likely. It doesn't even sound like something you want to do.
Right? Like, don't break this principle. This is the most strongest principle that you need to follow. I changed it. I used to have rules all over my slides, and I changed it to principle. And I feel people are more apt to follow a principle. Actually, one of my traders was the one that suggested it to me about a year ago. And I said, that is genius. I love that. If we look at it that way, and again, it was Scotty.